In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share files with OneDrive in Microsoft Teams. 5 minutes, we'll walk through sharing a file or folder from OneDrive and posting it in Microsoft Teams so your coworkers can access it right away. First, sign into your Microsoft account in your browser. Once you're in, open the app launcher, the grid icon in the top left, and choose OneDrive. This takes you to your cloud storage. Click My Files to see your folders and documents, then navigate to the exact file or folder you want to share. When you found it, right-click the item and select Share. A sharing window opens. Here you can choose whether people can edit or only view the content, and you can limit access to specific people if needed. Keeping permissions tight helps prevent accidental changes. If you're sharing directly with teammates, type their work email addresses and add a short note so they know what they're receiving. Then select Send. They'll get a message with a secure link and the permissions you set. If you'd rather post a link yourself, choose Copy Link instead. You can adjust link settings before copying to make sure the right audience, such as people in your organization, can open it. Next, open Microsoft Teams. Go to the channel or chat where the file needs to live. In the Message Compose box, select the paperclip or attach file icon. You'll see options to pull a file from OneDrive or to upload from this device. Choose OneDrive if the document is already stored in the cloud. This keeps a single source of truth and respects the sharing permissions you set. Choose Upload from this device if you have a local copy you want to share right now. Browse to the file, confirm your choice, then add a short message with context like why you're sharing it and what feedback you need. Finally, hit Send. Teams will post the link or upload the file and make it easy for everyone in the conversation to open it. If you pasted a copied link into Teams, give it a quick test by opening it in a private window or asking a teammate to try it. Clear access now avoids back and forth later. That's it. You signed in, found your content in OneDrive, shared it securely, and posted it in Teams. As a tip, if anyone reports they can't open the file, revisit the share settings in OneDrive and widen access only as needed. Thanks for watching and happy sharing.